From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 15. So today we will move on to this grammar format, ましょう. ましょう means let's do something in Japanese. Using this grammar format, you can say things like let's go to the park, let's drink coffee, let's eat sushi, and so on. And grammar format is very simple. This is mas stem plus masho. Now I will explain to you what this mas stem means. So this is it. For example, to eat in Japanese is 食べます. So now drop mas off, and this remaining part 食べ is called mas stem. Another example, drink 飲みます. To drink in Japanese is 飲みます. Drop mas off, and the remaining part 飲み is the mas stem. So today we will use this mas stem plus masho. Together it means let's in Japanese. I will show you one example. Let's drink coffee is this. コーヒーを飲みましょう. So drink in Japanese is 飲みます. But this time you have to use mas stem. Therefore, drop mas off, and this remaining part, mas stem. Use this and add masho. Together, 飲みましょう means let's drink. Therefore, let's drink coffee is コーヒーを飲みましょう. Coffee is what you drink, the object of this sentence. Therefore, you need to have wo particle. Now, let's do this exercise. I'd like you to translate these into Japanese. Stop the video. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers.Let's make a cake is ケーキを作りましょう. So the mas stem of to make is 作り, because make is 作ります. So drop mas off, and remaining part 作り is the mas stem. So you have to combine this mas stem with masho.Together it means let's make. And ケーキ, a cake is what you eat. Therefore, the object of this sentence. So you have to use wo particle after cake. Second one, let's study Japanese. 日本語を勉強しましょう. To study originally is 勉強します. So drop mas off. Then the remaining part is 勉強し. This is the mas stem of study. So add masho to this mas stem. Together it means let's study. In Japanese, 日本語 is what you study.The object of this sentence. Therefore, you need to have wo particle after the object. Third one, let's go to the park. 公園に行きましょう. To go originally is 行きます. So, drop mas off. The remaining part, mas stem is 行き. Together, let's go.And park, 公園 is your direction. Therefore, you have to use ni particle instead of wo. As you have learned before in the previous lessons, Whenever a verb indicates the nuance of direction, you need to use ni particle instead of wo. Therefore, in this case, to go, this verb indicates direction, because park is your direction of your movement. Therefore, you have to use ni particle. Now, please repeat after me. ケーキを作りましょう。日本語を勉強しましょう。公園に行きましょう。Now let's move on to second exercise. This time a bit longer sentences. So I like you to translate these into Japanese. So please stop the video and when you are ready, come back. Now the answers. Let's meet at the train station. 駅で会いましょう。This time the verb is meet. Originally this is 会います。So drop mas off. The remaining part 会 is the mas stem. So it's mas stem plus masho. Let's meet. And the train station is where the action of meeting takes place. Therefore, it should be de particle. As you have learned before, de particle indicates the place of action. In this case, action of meeting. Therefore, it's de particle. If the sentence was, let's go to the train station, then you can use ni particle. Because in that sentence, train station indicates your direction. But this time, it's where the action of meeting takes place. Therefore, de particle. Second one, let's watch a movie on Netflix. Netflix で映画を見ましょう。To watch is 見ます。Drop mas off and me remains. Mas stem. So me plus masho. Let's watch. And movie is 映画。映画 is what you watch, the object of this sentence. So, what should be right after this 映画 object. Lastly, Netflix is where you watch the movie. And also it's the means how you watch the movie. So, you need to use de particle here as well. De indicates, first, place of action, and second, means, methods, tools, materials, and so on. Netflix is how you watch the movie, where you watch the movie, so you have to use de particle here. Third one, let's swim in the pool. プールで泳ぎましょう。swim 泳ぎます。drop mas off. The mas stem is 泳ぎ。So it's 泳ぎましょう。And pool is the place of action where the action of swimming takes place. Therefore, it should be de particle. Lastly, let's speak in Japanese. 日本語で話しましょう。So, 話します speak. Drop mas off. Use 話します stem. And add masho. Together, let's speak. Then, Japanese is the means, how you speak, the method. Therefore, you have to use de particle. So this time, please repeat after me. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me anytime. はい、so the first one. 駅で会いましょう。ネットフリックスで映画を見ましょう。プールで泳ぎましょう。日本語で話しましょう。Very good job. Lastly, I have homework for you. Please work on these 3 sentences and put your homework in the comment below, and I will check and collect your homework. And I will also put these vocabularies in the description below, so that when you do your homework, you can refer to those vocabularies in the description. So, very good job. I really look forward to seeing your homework. So, ありがとう。And I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんな、またね。